Hello, New York.
Brooklyn Beach, Joey and Freddie here with a breaking news update for you.
Effective immediately, certain subway stations throughout the New York City Metropolitan Transit Authority
Ooh, what a mouthful.
Will now have cell service.
And just when you thought that you had that one safe place from everybody yapping on their cell phone.
Just when you thought your list of subway problems ended with toenail clipping, onion bagel eating, and fish soup slurping, guess what? You're wrong. You know what you're in store for?
Get ready for this, New York.
Brace yourself.
Or the ringtone's gonna be your jam of the week. Ba-ba-ba-da, ba-ba-ba-da. And then they're gonna pick up at your favorite part.
Representative. Representative.
Operator.
Damn it.
Operator. Call ma. Call ma. Ma, madam.
You can't even hear those muffled Charlie Brown announcements as it is. No, you. No, you hang up. No, I love you. No, I love you.
All right.
I don't want to hear about your rash, your doctor's appointment,
Your husband's court date.
what time you're going to meet everybody at the stoop. I don't need to hear that.
And the worst part of it is once they close those doors, bing bong, you're trapped on the train!
And you're screwed with a capital S, the cell phone. But today's your lucky day, ladies and gentlemen.
Brooklyn Beach, Joey and Freddie compiled a long ass list of rules about using your cell phone on the subway, and we narrowed it down to one.
Drum roll, please. Just don't use it!
Just tell him Large Marge sent ya!